In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Make.com, a fantastic solution for automating workflows between your favorite apps. We'll walk through each step together so you can easily create a connection between these two powerful platforms and streamline your data processes. First, navigate to the Make.com website. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find a tab labeled Scenarios. Click on it. Scenarios are the heart of Make.com, serving as the blueprint for your automated workflows. Next, locate the Open Scenario Builder and click it to start creating your new workflow. This scenario builder will allow you to integrate different applications seamlessly. Look for Airtable in the list of available applications and select it. By doing so, you are indicating that you want to connect Airtable with your workflow. Now, choose the option that says Retrieves a single record by its ID. This specific function allows you to pull detailed data from your Airtable database based on a unique identifier. Click the Add button and then hit Highlight, which enables you to focus on specific aspects of your integration that require additional setup. The next stage requires input of your Airtable token or API key. You'll need this for Make.com to access your data securely. To obtain this token, head to your Airtable account and click on your profile. From there, navigate to the Builder Hub. This section houses your developer tools and access credentials, such as your API keys. Select Create Token to start the process of generating a new authentication token. You'll want to add specific scopes to the token, determining what actions it can perform. Begin by typing a name to identify this project and click Add a Scope. Choose See the Data in Records, enabling viewing access. Continue by adding See Comments in Records, and See the Structure of a Base, expanding the token's capabilities to suit your needs. To proceed, you'll also need to configure base access. Click Add a Base and select all current and future bases in this workspace. This ensures comprehensive access for your connection to be both effective and adaptable over time. Once you've configured these settings, click the option to create your new token. Now that your token is ready, copy it and return to Make.com. Here, you will paste the token into the appropriate field, allowing Make.com to connect to Airtable with the specified permissions. Navigate back to the Scenario Builder, where you can engage additional options such as conditions and variables functions, enhancing the flexibility and depth of your automated processes. Click Save to finalize your scenario configuration, and that's it. You've successfully established a connection between Airtable and Make.com. By following this guide, you can now manage your databases and automate tasks more efficiently, freeing up valuable time and resources.